How to fix do not disturb mode not working on iOS 17. In this video guide, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can fix your do not disturb mode not working on your iOS 17. So just go ahead and open your settings. When you open your settings, look for where it says focus. As you can see down here, you can use the hash icon as well. So when you look for where it says focus, go ahead and open it. When you open it, make sure this button, if it is the button is toggle of toggle it on, come down and toggle this on as well. So go ahead and toggle this focus status, go ahead and make it turn on. When you do that, I want to open more, it says do not disturb. So when you open it, guys, make sure none of the people here are allowed, so go ahead and click that. So when you open it, go ahead and click on where it says silence notification from. So click on this. Tell me I'm going to click on this because I have specific people I allow to call me when my phone is on do not disturb. Make sure the app as well is gone silence it as well, so there shouldn't click on silent notification from all applications. So when you go ahead and toggle this on, I assure you your do not disturb focus mode is going to work. If it's not still working, just go ahead and click on the plus icon showing above your screen. When you click on that, go ahead and click on customize. When you click on customize, go ahead and create your do not disturb. So go ahead and select the icon you want. When you select that, click on next. When you click on next, you can go ahead and set it based on the do not disturb settings. So I hope this video is helpful. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button to support the channel. See you on the next